Explain question number 8, exercise 1.1, class 12th. Show that the relation R in the set A is equal to braces 1, 2, 3, 4 given by R is equal to braces of small bracket 1, A, B. Mod of A minus B is even is an equivalence relation. Show that all the element of braces 1, 2, 1, 3, 5 are related to each other, and all the element of braces 2, 4 are related to each other, but no number of braces 1, 3, 5 is related to an element of braces 1, 4. Solution start. A is equal to braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 R is equal to braces of small bracket A, B colon mod of A minus B is even. It is clear that for any element A is belongs to R, we have mod of A minus A is equal to 0, which is even. Therefore, R is reflexive. Let mod of bracket of A, B is belongs to R, which implies mod of A minus B is even, which implies mod of minus bracket of 1 A minus B is equal to mod of B minus A is an even. Therefore, bracket of B minus B, A is belongs to R. Therefore, R is symmetric. Now, let bracket of A, B is belongs to R and bracket of B, C is belongs to R. Mod of A minus B is even and mod of B minus C is even. Bracket of A minus B is even and bracket of B minus C is even. So bracket of A minus C is equal to bracket of A minus B plus bracket of B minus C is an even. The sum of two even integer is even, which implies A minus C is even. Therefore, R is transitive. If relation is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, then it is equivalence. Hence, R is an equivalence relation. Now, all element of set braces of 1, 3, 5 are related to each other, as all the element of these subset are odd. Thus, the modulus of the difference between any two number will be even. Similarly, all element of sets braces of 2, 4 are related to each other, as the element of this subset is are even. Also, number of subset braces 1, 3, 5 are related to each other. Two of any element of braces 2, 4 as all element of braces 1, 3, 5 are odd and all element of braces 2, 4 are even. Thus, the modulus of difference between two elements for each of them for these two subsets will not be even. That is the answer.